Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share my recent flight experience with Singapore Airlines on board their stunning Boeing 787 Dreamliner from Singapore to Guangzhou. And let me tell you, it was quite the adventure. So let's take off. Before heading to our gate, we decided to relax at the SATS Premium Lounge. Although it's one of the smaller lounges in Changi Airport with limited seating, it has a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Right away, I noticed the amazing Laksa station. Dream come true for any foodie. I love that you can prepare your own Laksa. The aroma of the spices, mixed with fresh ingredients, was just exquisite. A delicious bowl of homemade Laksa is the perfect way to start any flight. It's time to board. The moment I stepped onto the aircraft, I could see the spacious interior and sleek design that the Dreamliner is well known for. It was such a warm welcome from the crew. Just before takeoff, we were given hot towels to freshen up. It's such a nice touch that really makes you feel pampered. During the flight, we experienced a bit of turbulence. But guess what? That didn't stop the crew from serving our meals. And as expected with Singapore Airlines, the food was nothing short of spectacular. I tucked into a delicious chicken noodle. Honestly, they never disappoint. fast forward to our return trip to Singapore. We flew on the same type of aircraft, the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. The familiar comfort and ambience felt like coming home. However, I encountered a minor hiccup with my in-flight entertainment system. But no worries, the air stewardess promptly attended to it before takeoff, ensuring my screen was up and running in no time. The service was absolutely excellent, just as I remembered. Singapore Airlines really set the bar high with their attention to detail and customer satisfaction. And that's a wrap on my flight experience with Singapore Airlines. From the cozy SATS Premier Lounge to the amazing in-flight service and food, I truly had an unforgettable journey. If you're planning to travel, I highly recommend flying with them. Thanks for tagging along on this adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel videos. Until next time, happy travels.